Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Antigravity rules and workflows in a simple way. So, if you are using Google Antigravity and you want the agent to follow your own style, your own steps, and your own way of working, this is where rules and workflows can help. Think of rules as instructions you want the agent to always remember, and think of workflows as step-by-step actions you can run again whenever you need them. Step 1. Open Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity on your computer. Once it opens, make sure you are inside the project you want to work on. This is important because some settings can be for one project only, while other settings can be used everywhere. If you want the rule to work across all your projects, you will use a global rule. But if you only want the rule to work inside one project, you will use a Workspace rule. For example, if you always want the agent to write short answers in every project, use a global rule. But if one project needs special instructions, like using a certain folder name or writing in a certain style, use a Workspace rule. Step 2. Open the Rules area. Now, go to the Agent panel. At the top of the Agent panel, click the three dots menu. From there, open the Customizations area. After that, look for the Rules section. This is where you can add new instructions for the agent. You should see an option to create a global rule or a Workspace rule. Click Global if you want the rule to work everywhere. Click Workspace if you only want it to work in the project you are using right now. Step 3. Create your first rule. Now, let's create a simple rule. Click to add a new rule, then write what you want the agent to follow. Keep it clear and simple. Do not write a long, confusing paragraph. For example, you can write, "Always explain your changes before editing files." Or you can write, "Keep answers short and use simple words." Or, "Before making changes, show me a short plan first." These rules help the agent understand how you want it to work. So, instead of repeating the same instruction every time, you write it once and let Antigravity remember it. After writing your rule, save it. Next, create a workflow. Now let's move to workflows. A workflow is like a saved checklist. You use it when you want the agent to follow the same steps again and again. For example, you can make a workflow for reviewing a project, writing notes, checking a file, fixing small issues, or preparing a release. Instead of typing the full process every time, you save the steps once. Then later, you can run that workflow with a simple / command. Next, write your workflow's steps. When you create a workflow, write the steps in the order you want the agent to follow. For example, a simple review workflow can look like this. First, read the main files. Second, find anything that looks wrong. Third, explain the problem in simple words. Fourth, suggest a fix. Fifth, wait for my approval before changing anything. This makes the agent more organized. It also helps you stay in control because the agent is not guessing what to do next. And that's the basic idea. Use rules when you want the agent to remember how you want it to behave. Use workflows when you want the agent to follow the same steps again. Once you set them up, Google Antigravity becomes much easier to use because you do not have to repeat yourself every time. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.